So you think you don't like cauliflower? Well, think again, because this recipe not only will make you love cauliflower, it will make you crave cauliflower. Okay, today, wait, this is not what I need. Let me move the broth out of the way. Parchment paper. This is like one. Okay. We got you. You want priority. Parchment paper. So you think you don't like cauliflower? Well, think again, because this recipe not only will make you love cauliflower, it will make you crave cauliflower. What? Yes, absolutely. So let's start. Super easy. I have 2 heads of cauliflower florets. I chopped into florets. You can buy them already chopped, so you don't have like even faster. We dump it in a bowl. Put it over here, and we'll literally need 4 ingredients plus the cauliflower, obviously, but a little bit of salt, sprinkle. That salt is up to taste. Like, it depends on your taste, how salty you want it. Turmeric. I mean, if you know me, you know I put turmeric on everything because it's so good, and also it's anti-inflammatory, has amazing properties. But I like that, just like the color. It makes the food more colorful, and I feel like cauliflower being this color is a little bit bland. It's not that enticing to eat. So we're just gonna make it a little bit more colorful while getting tons of benefits. Turmeric, it's up to you. I think you have to build the taste. At the beginning, I would start with smaller, maybe a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, and then I'll ramp it up to tablespoons. I really like that. Then our beautiful friend, olive oil. Never leave the house without olive oil. Or just not that. That will not work. Always have olive oil in your house. Olive oil. Depends on, again, how much cauliflower you have. Since I have like, I would say like at least 2 to 3 pounds, I added somewhere between a 1/4 cup. And then the secret ingredient, peanut butter. Peanut butter jelly, yo. Peanut butter jelly, yo. Okay, I'm gonna add, let's see. I have a lot of energy because I did double workout today, so I was feeling very stressed, and I chose to redirect my energy into working out. Oh, this is good. This is the first time trying this peanut butter, so we'll see. Yeah. Okay, 1 giant tablespoon, and let's do 2 giant tablespoons. Yes. And then things are gonna get dirty because you have to put your hands in. In the meantime, while you're prepping all this, preheat your oven to 450 Fahrenheit, and let's get dirty. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna massage the cauliflower. This could be a nasty experience or a really good one. That's up to you. That's how you look life. Your outlook in life. Okay. I'm gonna really massage because we want that peanut butter to get in the nooks and crannies. You can make it with almond butter. It tastes phenomenal with almond butter. You can do it with sunflower butter. You can do it with... I did it with tahini. I did not like it. I think the tahini has a little bitter aftertaste, and we wanna, in the cauliflower, once cooked, it releases a very sweet taste that blends perfectly with the nut butters. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. If you're not doing a lot of cauliflower, if you're not doing what I'm doing, basically, you can put them on a pizza baking pan, the one that has little holes, and it's gonna help the cauliflower cook faster and also get crunchier. I like my little bit, our cauliflower just a little bit charred, not too much, because obviously that's not good for you. Okay, here we go. Veggie gold. Did I lose some? put them in this guy. My hands are dirty. Can you collaborate? Can you work? Thank you. Okay. And we go. We're just gonna spread them. I don't know if you can see this, which I'm gonna move the camera right now. Okay. We're gonna spread them evenly, making really, we want each cauliflower to have its space. Not that one. That one's gone, my friends. That one is long gone. Okay. And if you were curious of what's in here, what's going on under here, I'm making sourdough for breakfast. That's the only bread that I honestly feel great at eating. That I don't. I think it's the yeast. I'm not a fan of yeast. But I do once in a while. I just cannot have yeasted bread every day. My stomach will get really angry at me. I usually bake this, guys, for 40 minutes. You can bake them less if you want them more crunchy. You can bake them a little bit more if you want them a little bit more charred. Between 40 and 45 minutes. That's my comfort zone right here. Okay. Say goodbye, cause you're going in the oven and then in my belly. Also, a super cool and easy trick, when you put your veggies or you put your breads in the oven, you just grab a little bit of water in your hand. You grab a little bit of water in your hand, and that produces steam. I usually do it twice. And it helps cook those veggies. Hey, time of the truth. Wow. Perfection. You will crave this cauliflower, I can guarantee. If not, you have to come to my house and I'll prepare it for you.